I think there is a narrative and a perception about the Somalis in this country. Somalis, not only are they in Djibouti or in Mogadishu, in Somalia, Somalis have a congresswoman in the US. Somalis have a minister, there's a Somali minister of housing in Canada. So Somalis, wherever they are, the citizenship where they belong is where they are loyal to. And I saw to the Constitution as a member of parliament. So I treat me as a Kenyan Somali, just like the way you treat the other communities in this country. And I'm not the first one. I'm not the first Somali to hold the defense portfolio. Honorable late Yusuf Haji was one. I'm not the first Somali to hold a serious security docket. General Ali was the commissioner of police.
Prefer you call yourself Kenyan Somali because
no. I think I should not use Kenyan Somalis. I am a Kenyan. I am a Kenyan. So please, Honorable Ichungwa, you are not one of them. But over the years, there's a clique in government who have a business of profiling Kenyan Somalis, and I think that will end up with this administration. This is an administration that wants to make all communities equal. So I will serve the people of Kenya in the docket of defense portfolio in accordance with the Constitution.